Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Many Americans blame blank for the recession taking jobs away from returning soldiers, women, children, immigrants, African Americans. The trial of blank focused on the fact that the accused men were anarchists and foreigners. A. Calvin and Hobbes. B. Sacco and Vanzetti. C. Scopes. True or false? In the 1920s, the Ku Klux Klan, KKK, led a movement to restrict immigration. True or false? In the 1920s, many women sought to break free from blank. A. Their husbands. B. Traditional roles. C. Work. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The ban on the sale and consumption of alcohol was called blank. To this effect, the blank amendment was passed but was later repealed. Prohibition, 21st, 18th, temperance. Where do many Americans go during the 1920s to purchase alcohol? A. Canada. B. Liquor stores. C. Speakeasies. The illegal production and distribution of alcohol was called blank. A. Speakeasies. B. Bootlegging. C. Creationism. Fill in the blank. A religious movement called blank did not embrace a new morality. It rejected the theory of blank and embraced creationism, fundamentalism, evolution, mankind, Darwinism. John Scopes was arrested and charged with A. Teaching evolution, which was against the law. B. Selling alcohol illegally from Canada. C. Trying to help women find jobs outside traditional roles. What caused differences between Americans in the 1920s? Choose all that are correct. A. Nativism versus immigration. B. New roles of women versus traditional roles of women. C. Creationism versus evolution.